Stop asking yourself how to do this after watching this tutorial. Let's start. Please don't miss any step.
Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to change Windows 10 or 11 edition using two methods. The first method is to reinstall a clean Windows with a different edition on your PC. Second, activate Windows or change the key to a different Windows Edition product key. Pay attention if you still want to keep your data. Use the second method because the first method erases all data in Windows. For the second method, jump to the 15th minute 49 seconds of the video. Let's start by checking the edition on my PC. Open File Explorer. Right-click on this PC, go to Properties. Scroll down to Windows Specification. My PC edition is Home. Let downloads Windows ISO. Open browser. Type Windows 11 ISO. Open the first link. Select Multi-Edition ISO. Select Language and confirm. Click on 64-bit download. The ISO start download. Let me cancel the download because I have it already. If the download of Windows has finished, search for Rufus in the search bar. Open the first link. Scroll down, go to the download and download the latest version. Open Rufus. Now plug a USB, HDD, or SSD into your PC. Then you want to make it bootable. If you're using a USB, will appear automatically here. In case you are going to use an HDD or SSD, it won't. You have to expand this and check the list of USB hard drivers. Select the HDD or SSD you're going to use as bootable. Click on Select. Browse your Windows ISO in the downloaded folder and open it. Click on Start. OK. Pay attention here because this will wipe out all data on your HDD, SSD, or USB. Make sure you have backed up all your data to another device before clicking on OK. Let me click OK to proceed. Wait until the process is done. Now my SSD is ready. Turn off the PC. Turn PC by holding the boot button. For Lenovo is F12, HP F9. Select the bootable HDD or USB. Next, check the box and Next. Accept. On this stage, you have to format your disk or delete the partition you're going to install Windows on. I recommend deleting all partitions on the PC from here and create other partition after the installation of Windows. Click Next. My PC is still showing me Home Edition only, while it is supposed to be showing all editions of Windows because the copy I am installing is a multi-edition. The reason why this is happening is that it came from manufacturer with pre-install Home Edition license. If you have the same issue as me, just finish installing your PC. You need to use the second method that I'm going to show you in this video. Click Yes. Cheap. If you don't have the internet driver or you can't connect to the internet, just click on I don't have internet. Name the PC. Accept. Let's use the second method now. First, check the addition again. The edition didn't change because my PC came from a manufacturer license to the Home Edition. In setting the search bar, type activation. Click on Change Product Key. You need to have a valid product key for a Windows that you want to switch to. E.g., if you want to switch to Pro, you need to have Windows Pro product key, and your PC must be connected to the internet. Type them correctly. If you don't, it will not proceed. Let me enter the right key for Windows Enterprise. Next, Click Start. Wait for the upgrade to finish. Once finished, PC will restart itself. You do not need to worry about your data using this method, because it will only upgrade the addition of Windows without deleting any of your data. Now let's check if the edition has changed to Enterprise. Boom, now the edition is Enterprise. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.